Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up a Snoop alert so you can spot and cancel unused subscriptions before they drain your wallet. Now, first, you gotta open the Snoop app and log in. From the home screen, you gotta tap the Insights or Snoops tab, then scroll until you see suggestions about subscriptions. Now, tap on one of the subscription insights. Snoop will show a list of your regular payments like Netflix or gym memberships. Next, tap Set Alert or Watch the Subscription, depending on your app version. This tells Snoop to monitor that subscription and alert you if there is unusual activity, a price increase, or if you haven't used it in a while. Now, repeat this for any other subscriptions you want to keep an eye on, and that's really it. Snoop will now send you smart alerts to help you catch and cancel unused subscription, saving you money automatically. Well, if this helped you out, like, subscribe, comment for any questions that you got. And yeah, if you need more money tips, you always got to be here to catch us on our next video. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.